Here we have the range station from Real Avid. So you say naturally, what's a range station? Well, I'm about to show you. This is actually designed to take to pistol range or the indoor range or any place where you might be using a pistol. It's just short enough for that. So when you set it on the counter there, you've got that nice oil and water resistant cover over the plastic here. What you have here at the other end is the identical piece as what's on this end down here, and they can be removed and swapped if for some reason, I'm not sure exactly why that might be, you felt compelled to swap the ends because you wanted to look at it the other way. I don't know. Anyway, now, so what do we have here? Well, on this end, we've got a place to, put your tools and things like that. And excuse our producers, obviously non-gunsmithing screwdrivers. And we'll put those in here and here. Or they could go over here where this is, and this also removed. So again, I'm not sure why you'd want to do that unless you had some really big tools. And then up here in the top, you have a place to set your ammo down. It'll take, 100 rounds of ammo, or I guess if they're not laid out this way, you could probably put maybe 200 rounds in there. But anyway, it keeps it down, keeps the stuff out of the way. And of course, your gun won't be damaged if you're on a concrete bench. So you can actually keep your tools here, in here when you close this up. It'll close up there and they'll stay in there and not go anywhere. So that's kind of cool. And so let me roll this back up here. Bingo, presto, changeo, and there you have it. The range station from Real Avid for $30.